In the icy winters of the glacial period, wolf packs displayed amazing escape instincts. The wild heart turns quietly, no longer fearing the smoke of human settlements. Archaeological evidence weaves like a time network, showing the earliest domestication traces in East Asian primitive forests. These brave wolf packs, with heads lowered in a sign, first meet the human gaze. The ancient alliance between humans and nature was quietly woven from this moment. The gene code is like an ancient map, recording the clear track of wolf ancestors from Asia spreading out. The heavy hammer of science knocks on the door of history, revealing at least 2 independent domestication miracles. The bloodline of the East Asian wolf subspecies quietly changed thousands of years ago. The DNA of modern domestic dogs is the living fossil of these migrating pioneers. The wolves turned from initial vigilance to today's loyalty, only needing a change of gaze. The archaeologist digs out dog family bones from Jilin Yushu Georgia oil mill, which are 26,000 years old. The plains of northeast China became the cradle of the earliest human partners. The Jericho city site in the Middle East confirms the synchronized rhythm of domestication and agriculture's rise. The jawbone fossil from 14,000 years ago in Europe tells of the first embrace between wolf and human. Domestication is not a one-way forcing, but a natural miracle of common evolution between both sides. The wolf packs choose to approach human settlements because of the dual temptation of food scraps and safety protection. The wisdom of the tamer changed from early only feeding to later actively capturing and taming. The wolf ancestors began to smile at humans and respond to human language. The number of copies of starch-digesting genes increases, indicating that wolf packs began to adapt to human high-carbon diets. Genetic diversity radiates outward from the East Asian source, covering every continent on Earth. The essence of the human-dog alliance is the transformation of the wolf's free will into a human partner identity. The discovered bone fossils tell the moving stories of every taming. The tamed dogs learned to carry out human instructions, yet still retain wild gentleness. The wolves turned from hunting partners to guardians, only needing the scale of time and trust. The global migration routes, like the silk threads of the time network, extended the Asian wolf bloodline to every corner of the world. Ancient climate change gave birth to the domestication window, and wolf packs actively approached humans after the ice sheets receded. In the early human settlement ruins, wolf paw prints and human footprints are found to exist side by side. The scientific model simulates the evolutionary pressure 150,000 years ago, proving domestication is feasible. The revelation of the silver fox experiment tells us that domestication only needs to choose the most gentle individual. The morphological changes of dogs, from drooping ears to curled tails, record the domestication process. The alliance between humans and dogs transcends species boundaries and becomes the cornerstone of civilizational evolution. From an academic perspective, genetic data and fossil evidence jointly draw the full picture of domestication. The diversity of the Asian wolf subspecies proves that domestication is not a single event. The activity level of amylase genes in modern dogs shows perfect adaptation to human agriculture. The wolves turned, opening a new era of human conquest of nature. The evidence woven by archaeology and ancient genetics reveals the precise scale of domestication time. the tamed dogs taught humans the dual language of love and loyalty. The lens of global history focuses on this oldest turning point in human history. The wolf packs transformed from wild leaders to the most reliable partners of humans. The time network theme runs through every second of the entire domestication process. The first eye contact between humans and wolves laid the cornerstone of the eternal alliance. Gene mutations, like historical chariot wheels, quietly propelled wolf packs to evolve into dogs. The details of archaeological sites tell of every fine process of taming. Domestication is not plunder, but a common creation of civilizational evolution. The appearance of dogs helped humans transform from hunters to settled farmers. The global wolves turning symbolizes the ultimate victory of human-nature harmonious coexistence. The scientific heavy hammer knocks on history. We hear every heartbeat in the domestication process. The wolves turning writes the oldest and most lasting human story on Earth. From the plains of East Asia to every corner of the Eurasian continent, the domestication legend never ends. The wolves turned, the domestication of canines and the human-dog alliance. Human civilization has entered a new chapter. Humans and nature will always coexist.